Welcome to Angel's online platform. Biology question number 91. A simple living permanent tissue which is absent in root. So collenchyma is present, parenchyma is also present, normal parenchyma is also present, but parenchyma with chlorophyll is absent because root does not contain chlorophyll. Which of the following tissue provide maximum mechanical support to plant organ? So mechanical support is provided by sclerenchyma, maximum mechanical support. Which of the following tissue consists of living cells? So companion cells are living cells. In stem, primary xylem is, so in stem, primary xylem is endarch. Jute is mainly composed of, so it is a bast fiber or secondary bast fiber, so B is correct. Vascular cambium is, so it is a lateral meristem. Collenchyma is living and contained protoplast. Axillary bud and terminal bud are derived from, so they are derived from apical meristem. Vascular bundle are surrounded by a layer of thick bundle sheath cells. The meristem occur at a tip of root. And shoot is, so it is apical meristem. Albuminous cells occur in, so it is present in phloem only. Bamboo, grass and mint stem enlargement by the activity of, so elongation of stem is through intercalary meristem. How many of the following are example of lateral meristem? So cork cambium, interfascicular cambium, and intra and interfascicular cambium is example of lateral meristem. So answer is 3. Which meristem is correctly matched with location and its function? So apical meristem shoot present at shoot and root apex, and elongation of root and stem occur. If a primary tissue, if one is primary tissue, second is lateral meristem, third is primary meristem, and fourth is secondary tissue, then what is the sequence? Of development in a plant. So first is primary meristem, then it is produce a primary tissue, meristematic cells form a tissue, then it form a lateral meristem, and last option is secondary meristem. So 3, 1, 2 and 4 is correct sequence, so here D is correct option. Which of the following feature is unrelated to collenchyma in a plant? So intercellular space is absent, so it is a wrong statement and correct answer. Which of the following provide mechanical support to growing part of the plant like young stem and petioles. So collenchyma is present in petiole of leaf and young stem. Scleride are found in all of the following except. So scleride are present in fruit wall of nuts, seed coat of leguminous plant, and pulp of pear, guava, and sapota. So it is absent in solid endosperm of coconut. So A is correct answer. Initial increase in a length of the stem or root is because of. So initially apical meristem and intercalary meristem are responsible for primary growth. So A and B are correct. Which simple tissue perform function like photosynthesis, storage, and secretion? So here parenchyma can do this function. When protoxylem face pericycle, means protoxylem is present outwards or in periphery. So it is called an exarch arrangement of xylem. In sclerenchyma, wall are lignified. Lignin is present. Lignin deposition is present in wall of sclerenchyma. Question number 113. The major function of sieve tube in a plant. So sieve tube is part of phloem. So it translocate organic matter or organic solute or a food. On the basis of following feature, identify xylem element. So it is a tubular structure, no tapering and dead cells, and devoid of protoplasm. So these all are characteristic of vessels only. Which of the following element of xylem lack lignified cell wall? So xylem parenchyma is living cells and does not contain lignified cells. Root hair are unicellular in structure. Stem hair are multicellular. Mesophyll cells come under. So mesophyll cells are come under a ground tissue system. Closed vascular bundle lack. So in closed vascular bundle there is no secondary growth or they cannot divide further. So cambium is absent. So here answer C is right. Which of the following is not part of epidermal tissue system? So trichome is present on a stem. Guard cells are also present in a leaf, and subsidiary cells are also present, but companion cells are not part of epidermal tissue system. Which of the following is not the part of ground tissue system? So vascular cambium or vascular bundle is not a part of ground tissue because it is a part of vascular system. Pith or central part of ground tissue is made up of. So it is made up of parenchyma cell. Layer of cells impervious to water because of band of suberized matrix is called. So it is called Casparian strip. Next question, Casparian strip occur in. So it is present on a radial wall and tangential wall of endodermis only. So D is correct option. Gymnosperm lake. So in gymnosperm sieve tube is absent, vessels is also absent, and companion cells is also absent. So all of this are correct answer. Epiblema is alternate name of. So it is alternate name of epidermis of root. Less than 6 radial vascular bundles are present in. So it is present in dicot and radially arranged is given. So dicot root is correct answer. If conjoint is there, then dicot stem is correct answer. Vascular bundle in dicot stem. So again, conjoint, open, and enlarge. B is correct answer. Hypodermis in dicot stem and monocot stem respectively. So collenchyma and sclerenchyma is correct answer. On the basis of following description of vascular bundle, identify the secretion of plant in which they are present. So vascular bundle, diarch to hexarch and radially arranged. Diarch matlab 2 in number and hexarch matlab 6 in number. So these are the again feature of dicot root only. In dicot stem, starch sheath is present in endodermis. So C is correct option. Numerous vascular bundle are found scattered in monocot stem. Each vascular bundle is surrounded immediately by. So sclerenchyma is surrounded by a vascular bundle. In dicot root, cell wall of endodermal cell. So cell wall of endodermal cells is has a suberin accumulation and impermeable to water. Vascular bundle surrounded by bundle sheath cell can observed in. So it is present in dicot leaf only. In isobilateral leaf, stomata are present same on both surface. Number is also same. Mesophils is not differentiated into palisade and spongy, again true. Parallel venation is reflect in the near similar size of vascular bundle. So all of these statements are correct. Select correct option on the basis of given feature. Cambium develops later, pith absent. Epidermis possess unicellular hair. Okay, so cambium is developed later, so it is a dicot, and root hair possess unicellular hair, so it is present in a root. So it correct answer is dicot root. Goblet cells are, those they are unicellular. Salivary glands are multicellular glands present. Epithelium that found in wall of blood vessels and air sac. So in blood vessels and air sac, lungs में squamous cells are present. Epithelium present in a duct of gland and tubular part of nephron. So in tubular part of nephron, cuboidal cells are present. Epithelium found in lining of stomach and intestine. So columnar epithelium is present. In columnar epithelium, nucleus at which of this position of cell of epithelium. So at base they are present. Smooth muscle fibers are. So smooth muscle fiber are a spindle shape, unbranched, non-striated and uninucleated and involuntary. So B is correct option. Function of adipose tissue. So they store fat, help in homeothermy, to maintain a temperature and act as a shock absorbent. So all of these are correct. The type of cell junction which facilitate cell to cell communication, so it is known as gap junction. Some of columnar or cuboidal cell get specialized for secretion and are called. So for secretion it is glandular epithelium and have a two type, unicellular and multicellular. Given below two statements. Statement 1, in cockroach, forewings are transparent and prothoracic origin. So it is a false statement. In cockroach, hindwings are opaque, leathery and thoracic origin. So again it is a wrong statement. So both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. Which of the following pair is not having similar epithelial tissue? So blood cells and alveoli, squamous epithelium, stomach and intestine, columnar epithelium, same, blood vessels and bronchioles, again same epithelium, but in stomach and PCT have a different epithelial tissue. In stomach, columnar are present and PCT cuboidal is present. Which of one of the following is most abundant protein in animals? So collagen is most abundant protein in animal. Bone is mainly composed of, so calcium salts and phosphorus salts are present in bone. So here C is correct answer. Fibroblast, macrophages and mast cells are seen in, so they are a loose connective tissue. Mucus, saliva, earwax, oil, milk, digestive enzymes are secreted by, so these all are secreted by exocrine gland only. Tendons attached to, so tendons are attached to bone with muscles. Which of the following is transparent tissue? So tendon, high edge cartilage and fibrous cartilage all are transparent tissue. Type of junction which help to stop substances from leakage across the tissue. So tight junction is correct option. A cockroach is, so cockroach is uric acid producer, so it is uricotalic only. Oxygenated blood from lungs is carried to heart by pulmonary vein only. The center responsible for contraction of heart in a frog, so it is due to a branching of heart muscles. The function of tympanum in a frog is, so it detect sound and keep balancing. So C is correct option. The chief nitrogenous waste material present in urine of a frog, so frog is ureotelic, so urea is present in urine of frog. Spot present near to the eye on head of frog is called, so it is called tympanum. Male frog can distinguish from female frog by the presence of, so sound producing vocal sac and copulary gland, so here D is correct answer, both A and B. How many eggs are laid in female frog at a time? So female frog can lay 2500 to 3000 egg at a time. Respiratory organ of frog, skin and lung, so both A and B is correct option. Select the option of location in which given epithelia is found. So diagram is for cuboidal epithelium and it is present in a PCT only. Identify the diagram, so it is a diagram of bone. Which of the following characteristic feature of cockroach regarding sexual dimorphism? So presence of anal style in a male that shows sexual dimorphism in cockroach. Sperms are stored in male cockroach reproductive tract, so it is stored in seminal vesicles. Which of the following is correctly identify the sequence of the organ in digestive system of the cockroach? So first is crop, gizzard, hepatic ceca and rectum, so A is correct answer. Match the column. So ligaments connect to bone connection, tendon connect to muscle to bone connection, areolar tissue is connective tissue or filling tissue, and adipose can store up fat. So here B is correct option, A2, B3, C5 and D1. Which is wrongly matched? Fusiform fiber is smooth muscles, so correct option. Cartilage is areolar tissue, so cartilage is specialized tissue, not areolar tissue, so it is wrongly matched. Unicellular glandular tissue is goblet, again correct answer. Correct option. Saliva, exocrine secretion, correct statement. Question number 171, match the column. Okay, name of the muscles. You have to identify name of the muscle, arrange its arrangement and example. So skeleton muscles present in a bundle and present in a limbs, unstriated in a sheet and present in a limb, wrong option. Cardiac at network and digestive tract में present नहीं है, heart present है. Okay, so only A is correct. Labial pulp is an organ is a dash organ, so it is a sense organ and they sense of food. Triangular head of cockroach is formed by fusion of 6 segments. So in embryonic development stages there are 6 segments, they are fused together and form one segment of head in adult cockroach. Abdomen of cockroach consists of how many segments? So it has 10 segments. Here they are not given male or female, so we have to consider 10 segment only. In female cockroach, which segment of sternum is boat shape? So 7th segment is of abdomen is boat shape. Anal style is present in, so anal style is present in male cockroach only. In cockroach, crop and gizzard are a part of, so crop and gizzard are part of foregut. Malpighian tubules are present in at a junction of, so it is present in a junction of midgut and hindgut. In cockroach, fat body, nephrocytes and uricose gland help in, so they are all are excretory organ, so help in excretion. A pair of testes lies on each lateral side of abdomen in 4 to 6 segments. Hope you do well in your exam.